All right, so next most important club in my bag and different shaft is in my hybrid. I've got a Mavrik max head. I like the little bigger head. Kind of looks more like an iron to me. And if you know anything about me, I'm hitting down on that ball pretty aggressively. So what I've got in here is a prototype hybrid 85 F5. So it's a little bit lighter than my 110s and my irons, which is normal, but I've got the recoil because when I strike a hybrid, a lot of times I'm trying to do working shots. I'm trying to compress it, trying to hit a little bit of a stinger. I also want to be able to tee it up and hit a high draw. So here's that hybrid shot for you. So if I set up here and I want to hit just a low driving hybrid, I'm going to play it in the back of my stance like this. Right, so you can actually see a little bit of that explosion of that divot. I've struck it well, I've hit down on it and really compressed it. If you've got a graphite shaft in your bag that is not able to withstand that connection with the ball and the turf for that interaction, and it's not very stable, it's not going to feel that good to you. So that's why I have the recoil in my hybrid shaft.